The great misunderstanding: hard work and wealth. Most people work hard their entire lives and still worry about money. Schools teach you how to work for money, but not how money works. They live from one paycheck to the next, trapped in a cycle of debt and financial anxiety. The problem is not effort, it is mindset and what we were taught about money. The world has changed, but the rules taught in our schools and homes have not. Working harder at your job is like pouring faster into a leaky bucket. The real solution is to fix the leak and build a system that fills the bucket for you. The two mindsets. A tale of two dads. One father was highly educated with a PhD and a secure government job. I call him my poor dad. My best friend's father never finished 8th grade. He became one of the wealthiest men in Hawaii, my rich dad. Both worked hard, but their opposing views on money set me on a different path. Poor dad, job security, play it safe, don't take risks. Rich dad, financial education. He rarely said, I can't afford it. He asked, how can I afford it? The core difference was ownership. Poor dad worked for a company. Rich dad owned companies and assets. One focused on his income statement, the other on his balance sheet. The engine of wealth, understanding assets versus income. The most important words: income, expenses, assets, liabilities. An income is money you receive from a job. Expenses are what you spend. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. A job gives active income. Stop working and the income stops. A fragile foundation. An asset is like a tree you plant once that bears fruit for years. Assets generate passive income, whether you are working, sleeping, or on vacation. Rental property is an asset when rent remains after expenses. Dividend stocks and owner-run businesses pay you without your daily presence. Books and music can earn royalties for years. Many think assets, like a home or fancy car, but they often take money out monthly. Mortgage, taxes, insurance, maintenance, payments, insurance, fuel. Just a quick reminder, if this is valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement helps more people learn how money really works. Financial intelligence isn't advanced math or degrees. It is practical money street smarts. Rich Dad taught 4 core skills: cash flow, risk, taxes, leverage. Accounting is financial literacy. Reading the story and statements. Investing is money-making money. Strategies to buy well and sell wisely. Most fear risk because they lack training. The greatest risk is not knowing what you are doing. Understanding markets means tracking supply and demand to spot trends early. Know the law, taxes, and structures. The rich use corporations to protect assets and minimize taxes legally. These advantages are available to anyone willing to learn the rules. Now let's get back to building your financial IQ. Calm City at Dusk B-roll with subtle animated cash flow arrows. The journey to wealth is less about what you do and more about how you think. Employee mindset seeks security, steady paycheck, and benefits. They ask, how much will I get paid? Time traded for money. Work harder for a raise or promotion, often locking deeper into the same system. Wealth mindset seeks freedom. Build income-generating assets and systems. They ask, how can I build a system or buy an asset that pays me? Think in cash flow and long-term equity. Time is too valuable to trade. An employee saves. A wealth builder invests, using good debt to acquire assets faster. Hard work is essential, but working hard at the wrong things won't make you free. Untie the rope. Break from conventional wisdom and choose the asset path. Start small. You don't need a lot of money. You need a desire to learn. Budget your cash flow. Save a small fund. Buy 1 dividend share. Work toward a first rental. You will make mistakes. Learn, adjust, get smarter. The power to change your financial life starts with changing your mindset. Stop working solely for a paycheck. Start building your asset column. If you want a different financial future, learn different rules. Income feeds you today. Assets feed you forever.